is worthwhile because it permeates into every area of everyday life. So you can put the news on every night and there's something law related on there. Equally, when you go out into the workplace, in every business, there's a connection with law, be it employment law, be it human rights law. It's just all around us.
I chose to study at Salford Business School because it's really diverse and it's alive, and the people here are really friendly and supportive, and it's research-based. It also prepares you for world of work.
The course overall has demonstrated a theoretical basis of law. It's given you a basis to be able to apply in the future, either that being with assessments or that being it practically.
There are also some opportunities which you can take part in to boost your advocacy skills.
So students apply theoretical knowledge in a variety of different ways. One way is we have a mooting society here at Salford University.
There are some mooting competitions which you can take part in, and you can develop your advocacy skills, especially if you want to become a barrister.
The students will consider problem questions, for example on contract law and tort, and they will apply those to a real life legal argument, and then they will present that argument and put it all into effect.
My favorite thing about studying law is that the course is really engaging, and the lecturers and the people who are at this course and who teach at this course, all of them are really friendly and supportive.
The career paths that our graduates typically pursue might be to become a barrister or a solicitor, or they might decide to work in the field of intellectual property. They may work in HR, they may work in business and finance, they may also go and work out in the criminal justice system.
The business schools prepared me for success in the future by providing opportunities with the Crown Prosecution Service for a week. In addition, I had 12-week placement with the Freedom Law Clinic, and finally I've had a full module in third year with the in-house law firm, the Silks Law Clinic.
Studying at Salford Business School is unique because of our Silks Law Clinic. Here students can get involved with advising clients with their legal problems, and they can work very closely with qualified members of the legal profession, and that's fantastic for their future career prospects, and it also really builds their confidence while they're studying with us. My advice for prospective law students is visit us here at the university, come and have a look at our campus, meet the team and see all our wonderful resources. Equally, go to court, observe real life court cases and research thoroughly into the areas that you think you might be interested in.
My 3 words for Salford Business School would be supportive, friendly and eye-opening.
The 3 words that I would use to describe Salford Business School are alive, diverse and inspiring.